Hey Ed, I wanted to share this little video with you right quick of the air valve and air door sequencer that you were having problems with. I got it back and checked it, and the program was on the chip, this little chip right here, but for some reason the program wasn't running. Occasionally I get a product that I think maybe is exposed to a piece of equipment in the post office, or maybe it's in a truck alongside a box that has a piece of equipment in it that's got maybe a lot of magnetic field around it or something, that just maybe 3 or 4 times a year I'll get something like this that there's just no explanation. The circuit's fine, the chip is fine, and the program's there, it's just not working. But I wanted to let you see how this is supposed to work. I've got it connected to my servo tester battery here. The servo tester just gives me the signal so I don't have to have a receiver and a transmitter. The servo with the red arm is connected to the Retract controller output, and the one with the black arm is connected to the gear door output. And I've got the switches in the position to close the doors back after the gear are down. So you'll see the gear door servo, the black one here, you'll see it move twice. And you'll notice that the servos don't move nearly as far in the air valve and air door versions of this circuit as they do for servo driven gear doors, for obvious reasons. You don't want to drive the air valves too far if you've got mechanical valves, and if you've got electronic valves you don't need to anyway. So here we go. I'm going to toggle the switch on the servo tester, and you'll see the first thing that happens is the gear door servo is moved, and then the Retract servo air valve is cycled, and then the gear doors close back. I've got the pot at about midway, so that's about half the delay that you can get. And we'll go the other way now. The gear doors open, Retract moves the other way, and the gear doors shut. Now, if you want to use it in configuration where the gear doors stay open, then this would be the configuration for that. The retracts move, and once the retracts are up, then the gear doors will close. I think they're already, yeah, I did both switches, so that servo is already in the closed position. I'll toggle it again, and you'll see that the Retract controller moves, and then the gear doors will close. That's the gear up position. In the gear down position, the gear door servo always moves first. So your doors open, and then your retracts come down, and the doors stay open. And going back up again, the retract moves first, the gear come up, and the gear doors close. It's a pretty simple device as far as the way it works is concerned, and you had it set up correctly. It's just that something happened to that program on that chip. So I thought I'd share this with you just so you know how this thing works, in case you want to try another one. All right, Ed, thanks buddy.